I'm trying this new and it's not going to work at all. I am recording, but I got rid of my mirror. I'm trying to just use my monitor, but I figured out that I can't actually mirror. So not only is this going to be funny, but it's meant to be actually kind of cool, and I'm probably not even going to be able to post this, so we'll figure it out. Alright, so I am getting ready to head to my little bots competition, got my little bots IQ t-shirt on here, to finish up the day here. And this is a makeup look that I've been doing for a couple of 3 or 4 days now. I've actually really liked it, and you guys know me, I don't wear the same makeup 2 days in a row because I get bored. But I've really liked this makeup look, and it kind of happened that I was trying to put together a full face under $100. So this is all my favorite drugstore style things. Some of them I guess may not be strictly drugstore, but all my favorite low dollar makeup items. Yeah, so it worked out. I'm going to kill the sound because I'm going to have to knock the fish tank sound out of the background anyway, so I'm just going to see how this turns out. I'm also in a hurry, so. But I had to do my makeup anyway, so I'm actually getting all of my makeup out of my little bag here because that's my life. So I got my Master Prime here. It's killing me. The non-mirror thing. This is. That also is not working. This is crazy. Actually, it's the cutest